Oh, there we go, just your face.
I can't do it.
Do it. I know you can do it.
Uh-oh.
I know you can do it.
I can't do it.
Please, to the camera.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know, just talk to me.
I love you. You sound like a retard.
You sound like Sam Eagle. Come on, one more time.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I already did it like 4 times.
Oh boy, it's like a backwards burp.
It tastes like pizza.
Oof, damn. You want to try for one more burp and then I'll turn it off? I mean, like a. Is that all you got?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to try for one last epic burp?
No, I can't do it again.
Does it taste like pizza?
Yeah.
No.
Like half-digested pizza.